Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Poco M5. For this you want to see where your SIM card slot is, and on this phone it's on the left side. You can use a SIM card ejector that normally should be in the box your phone comes in, or you can use a simple paper clip. With that you press in the hole and then this SIM card tray will come out. Then you take it out and we see that we have the option to put in 2 SIM cards and an SD card. Then you take your SIM card and put it in the phone, and then you put it in and put the whole thing back in. So now we need to put in our pin for the SIM card. And when we've done that, you can see we have signal here. When you scroll down, you can see your provider. So you now can make phone calls or whatever else you do. So that's how you put in a SIM card to your Poco M5. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.